Hi, I'm Grant Rogers from Creative Video YYC, and this is tips for creating great videos in 60 seconds. Last time I talked about getting to the point. Today I want to talk about preparing and how it'll help you create better, more effective videos. So I've done a lot of videos by myself and with some wonderful clients. And the one thing that many people fail to do is prepare. I don't know how many times I've created a script and I'll send it over to a client who's going to be in the video and I'll tell them, make sure you practice. Only to have some arrive and say, well, I have read it through, or, well, I said it through in my head and actually haven't done it out loud. The camera has a strange effect on people. So here's the tip. Figure out what you're going to say and write it down word for word, or write bullet points to keep you on track. Then practice it out loud. I know it's strange at first, but you'll be so glad you did it. Well, thanks for joining me. I'm Grant Rogers from Creative Video YYC. Now get out there and make some video. Oh, you stuck around. It's kind of like the Avengers. Here's the hidden tip. Take a stopwatch and time yourself while you're practicing. That way you'll know how long you're actually taking for what you're doing.